Is it on?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. It's going again, and I have a sparkler again, but this one is like way bigger. And it's, I mean, if it burns me, it's gonna burn me way more. But and if you see flashes, it's because people are putting off fireworks, setting off fireworks. Because you know, it's like so retarded. Fireworks are actually illegal, except for from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. on New Year's Eve, which is like right now. Unless you get like a special permission. But anyway, so people do it a lot.
Just do it.
I just gonna like this one. Like, talk with it. Come on. There we go. Not a pyromaniac, no.
No, never.
Come on. I'm waiting. And I was burning my fingers. Damn it. If I start a forest fire or something, it's not my fault. The grass is wet, though. It's fine.
Uh-huh.
It's fine. We should have taken a lighter. But I like
Really?
I like matches so much more. Matches are